Hey, it's me, Brecky Breck, and today we're with Clark County Public Works, and we get to look at a street sweeper. Hey, it's me, Brecky Breck, and today I'm with Angela's Concrete, and we get to explore a cement mixer. Isn't that super exciting? Hey, it's me, Brecky Breck, and look at this. This is a giant dump truck. Oh boy, I'm so excited to learn about it, and we're gonna explore this big machine. Are you ready? Come on!
Brecky Breck, come along and play with me. Brecky Breck, now it's time to learn with Brecky Breck.
Hey, it's me, Brecky Breck, and today we're with Clark County Public Works, and we get to look at a street sweeper. Over here, this is a street sweeper, and a street sweeper goes along the side of a road and picks up all the debris like these old leaves. It keeps the road safe and it keeps drains clear so that water can filter right to the drain. Look at that! There's a storm drain right there! Oh boy! Are you guys ready to learn more about street sweepers? Oh wow! Look at this! Wow! This right here, these are brooms. There's one on this side and one over there. Ooh, boy. These brooms, they turn in a circle and they loosen up all the debris as it goes along. Whoa. They sweep everything to the center so it can go down to under this right here, which is the vacuum. This side, this big tube, sucks up all the debris, and on the other side, there's another one of these, but it pumps the air down to push the debris over to this side to be sucked up. Wow, that's pretty neat. Oh boy, look at this big tank. It can hold all the debris, and it holds up to 6 yards of debris. Should we look at the nasty debris in there real quick? Whoa, I don't know if you can see in there too well. That's a lot of wet leaves and stuff. Wow. Oh boy. And look at over here. This right here is a big hose, and you can unload all the water because sometimes this will fill up with water and debris. So before you can dump all the leaves out, you want to drain the water. Hey, look at over here. This is that other hose I was talking about that pushes the air down to keep all the debris going that direction. So you'll notice that this side of the street sweeper is a little bit dirty than the other side. Whoa. And the other broom, of course. That's pretty cool. Hey, look at right here. These are hydraulics, and they pump oil to all the different moving parts of the machine. Oh boy. And look, this is a water tank. This holds 300 gallons of water, and it supplies the brooms with water, and follow me. Ooh, these are little sprinkler heads, and that tank supplies water for these sprinkler heads to keep the dust down while the street sweeper's picking up all the debris. Oh boy, I just love street sweepers. These are pretty cool machines. You want to look inside the cab with me? Oh boy! Wow! Well, first thing that I notice here is that the steering wheel is on this side of the vehicle, not the other side. That's because they're trying to stay really close to all the different curbs and walkways. Wow! Ooh, hey, let's jump in and look at it. Whoa! I feel so big up here. Hey, look it over here. This is a control panel, and it controls all the different parts of the street sweeper. This row controls all the water and where it's going to spray out of the street sweeper. And this row right here controls the brooms and the vacuums on the street sweeper. So, the operator of this big machine can just bloop, 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 press all the buttons. That's pretty pretty cool. Ooh, and of course you've got all your gauges. Oh, and a radio.
Hey, it's Marvin over here, and I'm on 15th and 99th.
Oh boy. Wow. This is really cool. Oh wow. Should we start it up? I want to hear what a street sweeper sounds like when it's on. We're going to start the rear motor first. You ready? Oh boy! Wow! And now it's time to start the engine of this machine. Woohoo! Hey, look it over here. See this? This is a camera, and it's showing us where all the debris is and the curb too. So that should make sure that I don't run into anything when we go. Woohoo! You want to take a ride with me? Come on! Did you see that we had to go around those cars over there? Boy, being a street sweeper, you really gotta pay attention. Not hit anything, but you still gotta clean up the road. Well, thanks, Marvin. Acting like a street sweeper. Clean streets equals clean streams. That's the mission of the street sweeper, is to keep all the streets clean so the water that drains off into the storm drain stays clean and doesn't have any debris in it. Well, thanks for watching and learning about street sweepers with me. I hope to see you next time. Be sure to like and subscribe if you want to go on more adventures with me. Bye-bye.
Brecky Breck, come along and play with me. Brecky Breck, now it's time to learn with Brecky Breck.
Angeles concrete, and we get to explore a cement mixer. Isn't that super exciting? Have you ever seen one up close before? I sure haven't. Come on, let's go take a look. Wow, look at this truck. Do you see all those tires? Whoa, that's like 12 tires on this thing. But wait a minute. There's 2 more on the back. You see this right there? That's called the drop axle. And you have to put that down if you have a super heavy load. Whoa! Wow! Isn't this so awesome? Well, let's talk about the different parts of this cement mixer. First, we have the cab right here, and it's green. I love the color green. Then over here, look at this. This right here is a water tank, and it can hold 150 gallons of water. Isn't that so awesome? This water tank is used to keep the cement wet so it doesn't dry in this big old barrel right here, and also for the job site cleanup. Isn't that awesome? 150 gallons, that's a lot of water. And look at this, this is a pressure control panel, and it just helps balance the weight while you're driving. Isn't that cool? Check this out. This right here is the motor for this drum, the barrel. Whoa, look at how big that barrel is. And this right here is the hydraulic fluids. Whoa, and you see this right here? This right here is the tag axle. It's an extra axle for this truck because when it gets really heavy, you need all the help you can get to support it. This is the air shocks. Woo, that's full of air and it can compress and it can fill. Isn't that really cool? Whoa, you see the size of that barrel? This barrel holds 10 yards. That's a lot of concrete. And this truck can hold 66,000 pounds. Whoa. That is one heavy machine. That must be a big engine on this truck, huh? Wow. Well, do you want to go take a look up here? Come on. Look how high I am. You gotta be careful when you're climbing up high, huh? This right here is the hopper, and you can look inside the barrel through the hopper. It even echoes. Whoa, do you see this hopper? Hey! You hear my echo down there too? Well, this hopper is the spot that they load this concrete truck with. Isn't that cool? You back the truck up, they drop the cement into this, and it fills up the barrel. Whoa, that's pretty cool. Hello there! How you doing? It's me, Brecky Breck! Oh my goodness, look at this. This right here is the control panel, and this is the chute. This is what you drop down to start releasing cement onto your job site. But in order to see that in action, we got to turn on this truck. So I'm going to introduce you to my friend really quick. Come on. This is my friend Mitch. Hey Mitch, you want to start up this truck for me?
I'd be glad to.
Wow, you see the barrel spinning now? Well, guess what? When that barrel is full of cement, it has to keep turning because you would not want the cement to dry inside of the barrel. That would be really hard to get it out, wouldn't it? Well, now that the truck is on, Mitch is going to drop down the chutes and get ready for a puller. These right here are the extensions to the chute. Those look heavy. Whoa, check this out. Each one of these chutes is 4.5 feet long. Check it out! I feel like a concrete worker. Wow, this cement mixer doesn't have any cement in it right now, so today we're just gonna demonstrate what it would be like to be on a site. Come on! Alright, so I'm what you would call a foreman, and I'm gonna pretend to direct the concrete coming down. Alright, Mitch, I'm ready! You can rotate this thing any way you want. And guess what? You can rotate it so that when the cement's coming down, it doesn't just dump into one big pile. You can make sure it's spreading out around the foundation or the sidewalk. Isn't that cool? things. Let's take a look. Oh, look at this. So he gets to operate a remote control truck, essentially. Wow, did you see that? He just sped up the barrel a little bit. Let's slow it down. Oh, and he can control the hopper. Did you see that too? He controls the hopper to move it out of his way. Wow, that's a lot of controls that you have over the cement. That's pretty neat. You see those fins in there? Yeah, well those help cut through the concrete and keep it moving. Keep the circulation going so it doesn't dry up. Woohoo! All right, well now that that's all done, we gotta put away the chutes. Make sure those chutes don't come off while you're driving. It looks like it's all wrapped up and Mitch is ready to go. Well, we'll see you later, Mitch. Thanks a lot.
Thank you guys for having me. I appreciate it.
All right, we'll see you later. Well, since we didn't get to see any concrete coming out of that one, let's take a look at a few cement mixers in action. With you. I've never got to see one up close like that before. Well, that's the end of this video. We'll see you later. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Brecky Breck. And look at this. This is a giant dump truck. Oh boy, I'm so excited to learn about it. Well, today we're at C&J Excavating here in Sequim, Washington, and we're gonna explore this big machine. Are you ready? Come on!
Brecky Breck, come along and play with me. Brecky Breck, now it's time to learn with Brecky Breck.
Wowee! Do you see this? This right here is called the cab, and this is where the driver sits, obviously. And this right here is the box, and it can hold 25 tons. That's like 6 elephants. Isn't that crazy? Oh, wow. Next over here, look at all of these tires. These tires right here go down for extra support for the box when it's full of all that weight. That's a lot of weight for this big dump truck to hold. And this right here is the booster axle, and it's extra support for the dump truck while it's driving down the road. This right here, these are called airbags, and these are for the suspension. Isn't that cool? Let's check out the inside of this big box. Whoa! Look how big this thing is. Whoa! You guys, you gotta come see it. Come on! Whoa! Look at this thing! This is so big! I cannot believe people have figured out how to make this big thing hold so much weight. This is an incredible machine. Wow. Are you ready to check out the inside of the cab? Come on, let's do it. Wowee, look at the inside of this cab. Oh my goodness, this is a big steering wheel. Wow, and over here we have the horn. Should I honk it? That was so loud. Oh my goodness. Well, look at this dashboard. We have all these different gauges to figure out how fast we're going, which is the speedometer. We've got the fuel levels, oils, brake compression. Wow, that's a lot of cool gadgets in this dump truck. Check out up here. It's super cushy. Wow. Wowee! Check this out. This right here is the radio. So if you're working with a crew or someone's falling behind, you say, breaker, breaker, coming in. You ready for me, Bobby? Okay, we'll be there in a little bit. Wow, that's pretty cool. And this right here, this is the lever to dump the box. Do you want to see it in action? Oh boy, come on. Well, before we start this thing up, let's check out the engine. Oh boy. Look at this giant hood cover. Oh, you have to be super strong to pull it open. Wowee! Check out the size of this engine. This is a 430 horsepower Cummins engine, baby. Wow, that is one powerful machine. Well, I think we're ready to hear it start. Let's do it. All right, let's start it up, David. Wowee! You hear that? That's one big engine. Woo! And that horn too. Wow, I just love big dump trucks. sure was fun learning all about dump trucks with you today. Well, that's the end of this episode. Well, we'll see you next time. Thanks so much, C&J Excavating, for letting me explore this dump truck. We'll see you later. Bye-bye. Hey! If you want to stay up to date on all of our fun adventures, be sure to hit the red subscribe